folks, let's be honest. The current bureaucracy is a disaster. Truly a total disaster. It's incredibly slow and incredibly expensive. They're throwing our money down the drain. We all know it. We have smart people, but the system is suffocating them. The papers, the approvals, those terrible, never-ending meetings. We call this functional fixedness. They think a desk is just a desk. They can't see anything else. But we're gonna change that. And we're gonna do it in a tremendous way. We're coming with a speed nobody has ever seen. The winning AI model of the future won't just sit in a room doing math. It's going to be a deal maker. It'll connect universities, factories, and citizens. Everyone on one single network, all at once. The old technology push era? It's over, folks. The days of forcing things are done. Now, the citizen pull era begins. Whatever people want, the state brings it right there, instantly. Our AI will know what the market wants before they even know they want it. It's an incredible foresight. Believe me, these digital connections will create a huge power. We're building the strongest network in the world. Others just treat the symptoms. They give you an aspirin and send you home. But we go to the root. We attack the heart of the problem with the 5 whys analysis. Why? 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 We're gonna ask everything. Why wasn't this road built? Why was this budget wasted? Nobody's gonna escape anymore, believe me. No more excuses, just data and facts. We're not gonna waste time with anyone's feelings.
This AI will be your toughest inspector. Never lies, never gets tired. Tremendous discipline. We're not wasting time with games or points or empty business. We want real results, real victory. We're doing morphological analysis. We're putting every option into a massive matrix. Every possibility is on the table. The squares spin fast, and in seconds, we find the most winning combination among millions. It's huge. With the scamper technique, we eliminate everything unnecessary. We're throwing bureaucratic trash out the window. We're reversing the process. The state goes to the citizen. This isn't a game, it's a real victory.
We're going to shrink bureaucracy and grow efficiency. The future will be tremendous. Thank you very much, you're fantastic.